Now, let us start with the next part of the chapter, haloalkenes and haloarenes. We have studied about the low reactivity of haloarenes with respect to haloalkenes. Now, we are to study about some reactions. First is replacement by hydroxyl group. Chlorobenzene on reaction with NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere gives us phenol. This reaction takes place in two steps. First, there will be formation of sodium phenoxide, which in the presence of dilute acid will be hydrolyzed to form phenol. Here you can see the reaction takes place at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure. But the presence of electron withdrawing groups like NO2 at ortho and para position or both position increases its reactivity. If we add one NO2 group, then temperature required is 443 Kelvin. If two NO2 groups are attached, then the temperature required is 368 Kelvin. However, if all the three NO2 groups are attached on ortho and para position, then only warm water is required for the formation of trinitrophenol. The commercial name of this compound is picric acid. This effect is pronounced when NO2 group is present at ortho and para position. However, if NO2 is attached at meta position, then it will have no effect on the reactivity. You can see here in mechanism. Here NO2 is present at ortho position. Now this OH is attacking at Cl. So electron pair will be shifted here, means there is a formation of carbon ion. Now this NO2 group, it will take electrons from here or it results in the stabilization of this carbon ion. The role of NO2 is stabilization of carbon ion formed, making the attack of nucleophile easy. Similar is the case in para position. You can see here attack of OH group, then shifting of electrons. Ultimately, negative charge will come over para position, which will be taken by the nitrogen of NO2 group. So, here also the role of NO2 group is stabilization of carbon ion, facilitating the attack of OH group. However, if NO2 group is present at meta position, in that case, you see the negative charge will not appear at meta position because either it appears at ortho or at para position. So, here NO2 will not play any role. So, this is the same. Presence of nitro group at ortho and para withdraws the electron density from benzene ring, facilitating the attack of nucleophile, as carbon ion formed is stabilized through resonance. But in case of metanitrobenzene, none of the resonating structures bear the negative charge on carbon bearing the NO2. So, at meta position, nitro group does not stabilize and hence no effect on the reactivity. Then we have electrophilic substitution reaction. Halogen atom is highly deactivating because due to the minus I effect, it reduces the overall electron density on the ring. That's why it is called deactivating group. At the same time, it is ortho and para directing. You can see here we had already discussed these 5 resonating structures. If you see structure 3, 4 and 5, you will see negative charge at ortho and para position. Ortho, para, again ortho. That's why we can say Halogen is deactivating, but still it is ortho and para directing in nature. So, halogenation, in the presence of ferric chloride, you will get para-dichlorobenzene and ortho-dichlorobenzene. Nitration is always done with nitrating mixture, that is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. NO2 group will be introduced at ortho position and at para position. Sulfonation. Sulfonic group will be again attached at para and at ortho position. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkyl group is attached at para position and at ortho position. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Again acyl group at para position and at ortho position. Then next is reaction with metals. First we have Wurtz-Fittig reaction. One molecule of aryl halides and one molecule of alkyl halide in the presence of sodium and dry ether forms toluene. These two hydrocarbon groups will combine together and sodium chloride will be released as a side product. If aryl halide is made to react with another aryl halide again in the presence of sodium and dry ether, then the reaction is called Fittig reaction. So biphenyl is the product and NaCl will be released as a byproduct. So this was all about the reactions of haloarenes also. Thank you.